Hi guys, today I will show you how to trade trends on 30-second charts. The focus will be on a simple trick that works with every strategy. We will use two indicators, one to filter signals and another to confirm them. It's super easy. Okay, jumping right in, the foundation of our strategy will be the exponential moving average, and I will add an MAA with a period of 24 and make it a bit thicker for better visibility. Next, we'll add our second indicator, stochastic oscillator, and I will leave the default settings as they work just perfectly for our plan. And of course, I will add more currency pairs to find the best entry points. Ready? Let's dive in. Here is our first setup and a $1,000 trade, 1 minute expiration, so let's go. Okay, do you see what's happening here? We have a strong upward and the price is staying above the moving average. Plus, we have a clear stochastic signal. Just a few seconds and the profit is ours. Okay, let's keep going, guys. The second trade will also be an upward trade. Let me explain. We can clearly see the trade indicated by the moving average and the signal from the stochastic oscillator. This trade is a bit riskier since the oscillator is approaching the overbought zone. But with a 1 minute duration, I think we should still grab our profit. $920 profit secured, but let's switch pairs for better opportunity. I will be back with the next trade shortly. I like this pair. Let me show you why. Another $1,000 trade, and this time downward for 1 minute. Look at this trend. You can clearly see how far the price is moving away from the moving average. There are the perfect spots to open trades. Here we ended based on stochastic oscillator signal. The result speaks for itself. Trading always delivers excellent results. Guys, always remember, the trend is your best friend in trading. So successful trading requires patience and knowledge, but this trick is an absolute must-have for beginners. So moving average will help you to find entry points and confidently trade in cold market. If you found this video interesting, please share your thoughts in the comments and see you in the next video with amazing strategies.